Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Aisha.
I am Danish.
And I am Shafi.
I'm Safina.
Today we are going to talk about one of the ecosystems in Malaysia, which are
The rainforest.
Malaysia's rainforests are among the oldest in the world, dating back more than 130 million years ago. They are classified as tropical evergreen rainforests and are a part of the Indo-Malayan biodiversity hotspot. These ecosystems are incredibly rich with thousands of plants and animal species, many of which are endemic and can't be found anywhere else.
Malaysia is very lucky because we have many tropical rainforests. These rainforests are very old, even older than the Amazon rainforest. They are more than 100 million years old. These rainforests can be found in both Peninsular Malaysia and also in Borneo. The first and most famous one is Taman Negara. Taman Negara covered 3 states, Kelantan, Pahang and Terengganu. Taman Negara is popular among local people and also tourists. People go there to do jungle trekking, walking on the long canopy bridge, and also to see many kinds of plants and animals. Another rainforest is Endaromping National Park located in Pahang and Johor. This rainforest has beautiful rivers and waterfalls. It is home to rare plants such as giant pine farm and also animals like Malayan tiger. In East Malaysia, we have Gunung Mulu National Park located in Sarawak. It is very special because it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is very famous for its huge cave and rich biodiversity. Another important rainforest is located in Belum Temenggor in Perak. This rainforest is well protected and home to all 10 species hornbills in Malaysia. This rainforest is also a safe place for tapirs and elephants.
The importance of rainforest in Malaysia is that it is essential for supporting indigenous and local communities. For indigenous groups such as the Orang Asli in Peninsular Malaysia and the native people of Sabah and Sarawak, the rainforest is not just a home but a way of life. They depend on it for food, clean water and materials for shelter. The forest also preserve their traditions, stories and culture identity. If rainforests are destroyed, these communities lose not only their resources but also their heritage. So this is why rainforests are essential in protecting in supporting the indigenous and local communities. Okay, next, the importance of rainforest in Malaysia is that it is importance for water cycle regulation. Through transpiration, trees release water and vapor into the atmosphere, which later condense into clouds and falls as rainfalls. This process maintains rivers like in Kinabalu in Sabah and the Pahang River in Peninsular Malaysia. This river are lifeline for wildlife, agriculture and millions of people. Without rainforest regulation, Malaysia will face irregular rainfall, droughts and even floods. The importance of rainforest in Malaysia is that rainforest acts as a natural shield against disaster. In Malaysia, coastal areas, mangrove rainforest protect village from strong waves, storm and even to tsunamis. Their dense root system trap sediments, slowing down water movement and reducing coastal erosion. Inland, tropical rainforests also protect people from floods by absorbing excess rainfall like giant sponges. These massive roots of rainforestry hold soil together, preventing deadly landslide on hillsides. And without these forests, the risk of flash floods, mudslides and erosion will increase dramatically. And in this way, rainforests are more than just a beautiful landscape. They are silent protectors of human life and communities. So the next importance of rainforest in Malaysia is that rainforests also provide benefits to the wider economy through ecotourism. Visitors from all around the world comes to Malaysia to experience our tropical jungle, go trekking and observe wildlife. This creates income and job opportunities for local communities while showcasing Malaysia's natural beauty.
One of the most iconic plants is the Rafflesia, the world's largest flower. It can grow over 1 meter in diameter. Although beautiful, it produces a smell of rotting flesh, which attracts flies for pollination. The rainforests are also dominated by dipterocarp trees, which form the towering canopy. Did you know these giants can reach over 80 meters of height? They also play a crucial role in stabilizing the soil and supporting the forest's microclimate. Malaysia is home to many carnivorous plants. For example, pitcher plants, which trap and digest insects to survive in nutrient-poor soils. On the animal side, Malaysia hosts the most charismatic species on Earth. For instance, which is a top predator that maintains balance in the food web. In Borneo, we can find orangutans, whose intelligence and tool-using behavior highlight the evolutionary closeness between humans and the great apes. Rainforests also echo with the calls of hornbills, large birds with striking beaks. They play a key role as seed dispersers, earning them the title farmers of the forest. Let's not forget the Asian elephant, smaller than its African relatives, but vital in creating clearings and pathways that allow plants to grow.
So, there are a lot of importance of conserving the rainforest. The first one is in terms of environmental balance. So, rainforests act as the lung of our earth. It produces high amount of oxygen in order for us to breathe. Secondly, it also absorbs a lot of carbon dioxide to prevent global warming from happening. So, trees and plants regulate rainfalls and maintain stable weather patterns. Roots of large trees prevent soil erosion and also reduce the risk of landslide from happening. So by conserving the rainforest, we ensure a healthy and stable environment. So secondly is biodiversity protection. So Malaysia rainforests are home to a lot of rare species such as the Malayan tiger and also the orangutan. So thousands of plant and animal can be found inside this ecosystem. So every species play a vital role in order to maintain the food chain. So protecting the biodiversity prevents extinction and loss of genetic resources. So by protecting the biodiversity, healthy biodiversity ensure that the ecosystem remains resilient and balanced all of the time. The third one is medical and scientific values. Many modern medicines come from rainforest plants, such as treatment for fever and infections. Scientists believe that the rainforest still hides undiscovered species with medical potential benefits. Conserving rainforests allow research and discovery of new drugs in the future. Rainforest plants can inspire new technologies in agriculture and science. Protecting the resource ensure benefits for human health and innovation. So, the fourth one is for education and research opportunities. Rainforests serve as natural laboratories for scientists and students. They provide opportunities to study wildlife, ecosystem, and environmental processes. Schools and universities can use reserve rainforests as platform for environmental education. Learning from rainforests encourages innovation in sustainable living. Protecting them ensure future generations can study and benefit from the natural treasure. So, the last one is for source of renewable resources. So, the rainforests provide natural resources like bamboo, rattans, and also resins. So, these materials are renewable, is harvested properly. So, local industries will use this material to produce products such as furniture, handicraft, and also daily items. So, will also support the small business and the traditional livelihoods. So this makes rainforest important for not only our culture but also for our economy. So to conclude, Malaysia's ecosystem, such as our rainforests, are national treasures that provide countless of benefits to human, wildlife and our environment. They are home to thousands of unique species, regulate our climates and provide the communities with enough food, medicine and resources for their daily life.
However, these rainforests face constant threats from deforestation, pollution and also unsustainable activities. That is why conservation is not just a choice but a responsibility for all of us. By protecting and managing them wisely, we can ensure that Malaysia's future heritage continues to thrive for our future generation. Let us all play our part in safeguarding the ecosystem that safeguards us.
So that's all from us. Bye.
Bye.